Hi, my name is Jim Court, Product Manager at Snap. Today I'm pleased to show you a sneak peek of our upcoming Expenses feature. With Expenses, it'll be easier to highlight and discuss important goals with your customers, the type of stuff they truly care about. Let's dive in. Entering your client's expense goals is now easier than ever. We are introducing a newly designed Expenses page that simplifies that process for you. Start by entering your client's base expenses, previously referred to as after-tax spending. You can think of base expenses as the minimum amount of after-tax spending your clients need, excluding debt payments and insurance premiums, which are captured under other dedicated sections in Snap. Next, define additional expenses effortlessly. These can include larger one-time or recurring expenses such as travel, vehicles, or financial gifts to your kids. Use the additional expenses table to enter details such as ownership, inflation, frequency, and age range for each expense. You can even choose whether to itemize and highlight certain expenses in your charts for a more customized presentation to your clients. These additions will provide a more comprehensive overview of your client's financial needs. Now let's head on over to the combined planning page. Here you'll find each expense displayed as a separate column, allowing for easy navigation and the flexibility of further edits if needed. Finally, let's explore the chart improvements. We've replaced the old after-tax spending chart with a comprehensive cash flow chart for you. This new chart consolidates all cash outflows from your plan, including items such as base expenses, additional expenses, debt payments, taxes, and even asset contributions. The chart is drillable and clickable, so feel free to analyze each outflow individually for more effective discussions with your clients. We've also included a reference point for cash inflows, helping you to identify potential gaps that need attention, such as that shortfall of base expenses at age 95 that we can see in this plan. For more clarity, we've renamed the sources of income chart to cash inflows, aligning it more accurately with its content. The combination of the cash inflow and cash outflow charts empowers you to engage in meaningful conversations with your clients about how their cash inflow sources will fund their expense priorities over time. And as an added bonus, we've resized the charts for you for better readability. So, we're excited for you to try out this new functionality, and we look forward to your feedback. Don't forget, your insights help us to shape the future of Snap. Thank you for partnering with us on this journey, and we hope you enjoy exploring expenses in Snap.